On your mark, get set. Go! Today, I'm putting our budget-built Ender 5 S1 up against a Creality K1. By the end of this video, we're going to answer one question. Can an $80 Ender 5 3D printer compete with a modern 3D printer? We're just looking to see if we can hang. First, let's define what success means. For me, success can be broken into 4 categories. 4 pillars. No, I like pillars. We're going with pillars. Pillar number 1, print quality. How does it look? Does it look good? Pillar number 2, speed. For me, that's a Benchie in under 30 minutes. Pillar number 3, reliability. How much babysitting does it need? Pillar number 4, and maybe the most important of all, is cost. The Ender 5 S1 cost us $80. We bought a $60 Chromebook, and we also installed a high-flow stainless steel nozzle. That puts us at a grand total of $142, which is respectable. Creality K1 comes in at a whopping $400 for a Modern CoreXY printer. Since I have a stock Creality K1, for now, we're going to run it that way. Test number 1 is obviously going to be a Benchie. Okay, Benchie result time. The Creality K1 came in at a whopping 29 minutes. Minimal ringing, a little bit around the hole and the circles on the front. Oh, it also had some weird under extrusion going on. But clean Benchie, 29 minutes, not bad. Ender 5 S1 with a clipper mod and a nozzle also came in at 29 minutes. And it's got noticeably more ringing. I'd say past the first pillar of success, which is it's a decent Benchie, and it's under 30 minutes, which is impressive for a machine capped at 6,000 acceleration. Test number 2 is going to be a functionality test, or functional part, like a camera mount, a GoPro mount, cable organizer, ooh, maybe extrusion caps, something functional. You get the point. Oh yeah. Just finished up the functional part test. The Ender 5 S1 made a functional part, and it did it in 1 hour and 5 minutes. And it looks fine. The K1 took 1 hour and 7 minutes, and it is a beautiful part, but I ran into some warpage issues, and it took 3 attempts to get this to print properly. Had to do some adjustments to the cooling. The Ender 5 S1 also failed 1 attempt. I had to level the bed and adjust the Z height to get that to print properly. Speed, essentially identical, and reliability, neither of them are perfect, so I think that pretty much sums up the speed and reliability. Take that as you will, but I think it's time to get back to the Ender 5 Plus. See you next time.